welcome to this evening's Equity Market Trap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbara. The markets actually had a good day today with the benchmark indices ending near the day's highs, and the trend continues with large caps dominating the recent uptrend. Experts also suggest that quarterly numbers coming more or less in line with expectations rather than disappointing may also be holding up the markets. The BSE Sensex finally closed at 19,889 and the Nifty closed at 6043. Both indices were up around more than 1% today. In contrast, broader markets actually trailed benchmark indices. BSE Mid-Cap Index was up only around 0.84%. Among sectoral indices, it was a mixed bag. Both rate sensitives and defensives gained. The BSE FMCG Index was the biggest gainer, up around 2%, and the BankX was also up around 1.8%. There were no declining indices. However, at the bottom of the pile was the Metals Index, up only around 0.08%, as metal stocks reversed some of the gains from yesterday. Coming to individual stocks, one stock which is much in the news, the Kingfisher Airlines, was up around 0.85% today, as reports suggest that banks have managed to recover around 1,000 crores of dues from the company. Also, there were some mid-cap companies which reported results. So, CEAT Industries has reported its Q4 numbers, and that stock was up around 4.5% thanks to bottom line beating expectations. Allahabad Bank also reported results, and that stock was down around 4.8% as net profit fell sharply thanks to higher provisioning on non-performing assets. Another mid-sized private sector bank which touched a new lifetime high in trade was IndusInd Bank, up around 2.5% today, and that stock has been continuing to gain after it reported a good set of Q4 numbers last month. Another stock which touched a lifetime high in intraday trade was Dabur India. It finally closed around 2.5% up, giving up some of those gains in intraday trade. ITC, another FMCG company which did well in trade today, was up around 2.7%. Coming back to Sensex stocks, Hero MotoCorp was the biggest gainer, up around 3.65%. That stock has actually disappointed on its quarterly results. Nevertheless, experts are saying that attractive valuations is holding it up. Bharti Airtel also managed to reverse its recent downtrend and gained around 3.1%. On the declining side, there was Coal India, which gave up some of its recent gains, falling around 1.7%, and Wipro also saw some profit taking down around 1.5%. It seems that markets are unfazed by the recent political bickering, and that's led to experts increasing their targets on benchmark indices. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. That's all from me. Thank you.